Gangaram branch. Yes. So students, statistics chapter, those who have missed yesterday's class, for them I am reminding you, we started statistics chapter, that is 9th chapter in our textbook. 9th chapter, and this is 200 page number. And even we started the exercise also, 9.1 exercise. Exercise 9.1 we started, we completed the first problem, and I given second problem, just I gave the introduction, so I don't know whether you completed it or not. I will do the second problem once again, the third problem. So see here, exercise 9.1, third problem, already those we have completed, okay, otherwise you see here. See here, 3 coins are tossed. 3 coins are tossed. If 3 coins are tossed, number of heads are counted. If 3 are tossed, 3 coins are tossed, 1 head, 2 tails means total count will be 1 head. Or second time also if we toss, suppose we are getting 2 heads and 1 tail, total count will be 2 heads, 2. Suppose in all the 3 coins we got heads. So how many heads? 3 heads. Suppose in all the 3 coins we got tails. First coin, second coin, third coin, tail, tail, tail. So number of heads will be 0. Like that 30 times it is done. So first time they tossed the 3 coins. So they got 1 head and 2 tails. That tails we are not writing, only heads. Okay. And the second time 2 heads, third time 3 heads, 2 heads, 3 heads, 1 head, 1 head, 1 head, 1 head, 0, 3, 2. One, two, three, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1. Next 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1. So 3 coins are tossed, the result is recorded. First time we got 1 head, remaining 2 are tails. Second time also tossed, 2 heads to 1 tail. Third time is tossed, 3 heads, all the 3 heads, 0 heads. 3 heads, 0 tails. Like that 30 times the data is written. So prepare the frequency distribution table. How to prepare the frequency distribution table? I already explained yesterday. See here. Frequency distribution table for the given data. See here. Table I am preparing. See, first number of heads. How many number of heads? There are 4 cases. When we toss 3 coins, we may get 0 heads, no heads. We may get 1 head. We may get 2 heads. We may get 3 heads. What are the numbers here? 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. That's all. 4 is not there. There is no possibility that we will get 4. So what are the numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3. Only 4 cases. Now, first 1, in which heading it will come? 1 is here. 1 is one time. 1 is one time. Next, see, don't write 2. 2 will come here. Next 3. 3 will be here. How many times? One time. Next 2. 2 means here. One more time repeated. Second time. Second time means draw another line. 3. 3 will be here. 3 is repeated again one more time. So second time here. 1. 1 is here. 1 here only. 1 here only. Under the heading 1. 0. 0 is here. 3. 2. 1. After 4 times, fifth you write here, so that easy to count. Fifth one like this. Next 2. Next 2. 4. Fifth one you write like this. So the total set is 5. Next 1. Separately you start. Next 1. Under the heading 1. 2. 3. 2. 2. 0. 3. Fifth one, no? After 4, fifth one you write. 0. 1. 2. 3. 2. 2. Fifth one. 3. 1. Another 1. Fifth one. So this is called tally marks. If you represent numbers in here, this is called tally marks. Now this is the frequency. Frequency means how many times we got 0 heads. How many times we got 0 heads? 3 times. How many times we got 0 heads? 3 times. How many times we got 1 head? 5, 5, 10. How many times we got 1 head? 5, 5, 10. 5, 5, 10. How many times we got 2 heads? 5, 5, 10. How many times we got 3 heads? 5, 6, 7. Total 10, 10, 20, 27, 30. So total 30 times. We tossed 30 times, no? So 30 match. So this is the answer. Like this. See, this is a data collected, primary data. Primary data, it is also called raw data. Raw data or primary data. We arrange in the form of a table, that is called frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table or simply frequency table or secondary data, like that we arrange data like that we can write. So but only frequency distribution table, this word is used here, so let us use same frequency table. This is called frequency table. So there are 4 options. We have 0, We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. So how many zeros? 3 zeros here. See here. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. How many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many threes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 threes. That's all. So write down. I think no doubts because simple procedure. So if you have followed it, then go to the fourth question. Fourth question also same model. Students, copy it neatly and write the fourth question from the textbook. Write the question from the textbook. Students, a TV channel organized SMS. TV channel organized SMS question giving three options for the viewers, for the participants. First option is they can tell A, they can choose A letter, B letter or C letter. A letter means a complete prohibition. So regarding the prohibition, that survey is conducted. A survey is conducted by the TV channel to the viewers. So if viewer want complete prohibition, he has to press A. He has to tell A. If you want only prohibition in public places, if you want the prohibition to be in only public places, you should tell B option. And suppose no prohibition is not necessary, no prohibition not required, then you should tell C. So when you want complete prohibition, you should tell answer A. Yes, A. That's all. A means complete prohibition. Suppose only in public places it should be banned, and remaining places they can take liquor and all. So that prohibition is banned only in public places, then he should tell B. So complete no prohibition, no, everywhere it is allowed, then he should tell C. So these are the three options. So 65 viewers participated in that survey. First viewer told A, second viewer told B, third viewer told A, next viewer told B, next pressed the option C, next told the option B, next told the option A. Like that 65 participated. So from this, how many want complete prohibition? How many out of 65? How many people want complete prohibition? Complete prohibition means A. Complete prohibition means A. So how many want complete prohibition? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, like that. So every time we can't count. How many want no prohibition? Then prohibition is not necessary. How many told prohibition not necessary means C. How many such out of 65? How many told like that? We have to count. Every time counting is a problem. So therefore we arrange this in the form of a table. That table is called frequency table. So frequency table. See here, the frequency distribution table for the given data is table I am drawing. See here, what are the options? Only three options, A, B, C. Only three options, A, B, C. Only three options. Only three options are there. A means, see here. The second one is called tally marks. Last one is called frequency. Frequency. And the first one, there is no particular name, so you can write some data, that's all. Options. This first one you can write options. What are the options? Option A, option B, option C. So how many options we have? Three options. The TV people gave three options for the viewers. Option A, option B, option C. So now how many are there in A? We will keep the tally marks. Then we will write total in the last row, last column. A 1, B, here. A, B, C, B, A. Next, B, B. After 4, fifth is drawn like this. A, C, C, B. Again you start separate line. Next also B, A. For fifth one, B, B, A. Separate line. B, fifth one like this. C, B, separate line. A, B, C, fifth one. B, A, B, B, fifth line. A, B, B, C, B, A, fifth one. Next B, A, B, C, B, B, A, B, C, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, C, B, A, B, B, A, B, C, A, B, B, another line. A. So like this tally marks are marked. I now count how many choose option A. Option A 5, 10, 15, 19 choose option A. 19 people 5, 10, 15, 19 people choose option A. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 choose 35, 36. 36 choose option B. 5, 5, 10. Choose option C. Like this. Table is over. We have another question also. What was the majority of people's opinion? Represent the above data as grouped frequency distribution table. This is called group data. This is raw data. This is group data in the systematic order. Grouped frequency distribution is arranged. So how many appropriate answers are received? How many answers are received? Total 65. It is given in the question only. So number of appropriate answers received. $65. Total how many answers are received? 65. Second question is majority people opinion. Majority people opinion. Majority people opinion. So which opinion is expressed by maximum people? So complete prohibition. So we don't want liquor in the area. So complete prohibition. How many choose that option? 19. So 36 people choose the option. No, liquor is allowed, but not in the public places. You ban in the public places, but in other places you allow. So that means partial prohibition. That means prohibition is banned only in the public places. So 36 people expressed that opinion. 10 people expressed that no need of prohibition. So let it be free. Everywhere we can take. So no prohibition. 10 students. So what is the majority? Majority is 36. So 36. How many expressed majority? Which is the majority option? B is the majority option. B. Total 36 people. 36 people expressed this opinion. So B is chosen by majority. Majority people opted for which option? Majority people opted for B option. So this is the answer. Majority people chosen B option. Total people participate are 65. This is the frequency table. 3 options are there. Option A, option B, option C. So A means write 1 mark. After getting 4 times, so 5th one you write like this so that easy to count. Again start 6th one here. So 7, 8, 9, 10th one you write here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15th one you write here so that easy to count. 5, 10, 15 plus 4, 19. 5, 10, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, one more, 36. 5, 5, 10. So this is the table. Over. So completely the question is answered. Students, you write down, copy it neatly and practice it. Simple problems only. But I am not going speed because only 2 exercises are there in this chapter and we completed many exercises, many chapters. So therefore,